Hey guys, it's Ryan from Flagship, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the F-perm. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your cube go from this to this in just one algorithm. So when do we do the F-perm? Well, the situation for the F-perm is when there is one solved face, and then the other faces have no headlights and they're not solved. So the F-perm is actually very similar to the T-perm, which we covered in a video before, the day before this. Link will be in the description. It's very similar, so make sure that the solved face is facing towards the left like that, and then do this algorithm. R prime, U prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R. As you can see, it's very similar to the F prime with just a few little changes. So let's do that again. Hold it so that this the solved face is going to the left, and do this algorithm. R prime, U prime, F prime, R, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R. And there we go. Now we have solved it. A way to remember this is, so first, if you guys already know the T-perm, which is one of the first permutations that you should know, all you have to do is R prime, U prime, F, and then we do the T-perm algorithm like that, right until you get to there. And then once you get to here, all you have to do is a U and an R. And there we go. Now we have solved the F-perm. If you guys want to see the next permutation in this series, make sure to click this video right here. This is Ryan, and I'll see you guys next time.